It means it's not stolen. Valid means the registration is current. Westbound 70.
10-4, fail to use, coming up 150. We're on 2 bay, get 213 for out 90.
Into the guardrail. Start at 10:16.
Yeah, into the guardrail, 10:23 p.m. Start at 10:16.
Stay in the car. Albert, show me your hands! Show me your hands! Don't move! I've got one running on foot near the 10-mile horse farms. Hey, you better stop right there, dude. State Police K-9, you better stop. I'm in foot pursuit of the driver. He's in the wood line. Hey, come down here right now. I'm gonna take you down those rocks. Get down. Hey, come down here, bro. Hey, I'm gonna tase you down those rocks. He crawled up a ridge line I can't get up. He's running eastbound towards Fairplay. Yeah, he crossed like up a little cliff almost. I can't get up it. Started 10:16. There's an elderly female still in the car when I left. Yeah, 10-4, I'm good. There's not a ton of places he could go right here. I think he's just going to be buried up in these woods. So if we get a drone, it should be good. Hey, get away from my car! car. Turn around.
I didn't do anything. I don't even know what just happened. I swear. I swear.
Is somebody down there?
Yeah, well, he's up the road.
Please, hey, please.
Hey, shut up.
I didn't do anything though. I didn't know. I was at the racetrack and he asked me for a ride. That's it.
You're good.
Unlock the car.
Why am I getting in?
Because you were just in the car that just ran from the police. Sit down.
I didn't. I swear to God I didn't do anything.
90 Little Rock. You can 64 the net. I'm 1015 with the female. Just have the driver outstanding. Start me 1011. Yeah. Like towards fair play.
That's probably a head probably going to get a fair
Sure.
I live right up here next. I heard it all
No, you're
out
good.
front and I said, hold on, I got to go check.
Press stop.